Punjabi Juniors.
Sat Sri Akal and welcome back, Punjabi Juniors. Are you ready for today's adventure? Once upon a time, deep inside a beautiful green jungle, lived a mighty king, a Sher. He was a big, strong lion.
मैं जंगल दा राजा.
And what was the Sher doing today? Oh, taan sa reha si. He was taking a mitti nap. Suddenly, out of a tiny hole in the ground popped a little creature. A tiny squeaky chooha, a little mouse.
Wow! Look at this big mountain! इतना बहुत बड़ा trampoline है. Let's jump!
Oh no! The silly little chooha didn't realize that the mountain was actually the sleeping lion's tummy. The mouse started dancing and sliding down the lion's back. Oh no! Choohe Sher wal dekh. The big Sher is opening his eyes. Sher akkha khol raha hai. Oh no!
कौन है? Who dares to wake up the king?
The lion looked down and saw the tiny chooha shaking with fear. Chooha vichara dar nal kam raha si.
Oh no! No! Please, Maharaja! गलती हो गई. Don't eat me. मैनू माफ कर दो. I am so small. I won't even fill your tummy.
You, a tiny chooha? Why shouldn't I eat you?
Please leave me, King. If you save me today, maybe one day मैं तुम्हारी मदद करूँगा. I will help you.
तू मेरी मदद करेगा. A tiny mouse helping a big, strong Sher. That is so funny. चल, बच जा. Go away before I change my mind.
The lion lifted his big paw and the little mouse ran away as fast as his tiny legs could carry him.
बच गया.
A few days passed by. The Sher was walking through the forest when, bam! A hunter's net trapped him. He pulled, he pushed, but the ropes were too strong.
बचाओ! Help me! कोई है! Help the king!
The Sher was crying out for help. Far away, the little chooha heard the familiar roar.
Oh, that sounds like the Maharaja. He is in trouble. मैनू जाना चाहिदा है. I must go.
The little chooha zoomed across the jungle floor. Zoom! When he arrived, he saw the mighty Sher crying in the net.
प्यारे चूहे, मेरे वाल देख. The mighty king is helpless. मेरी मदद करो. Please save me. Please don't leave me here.
Don't worry, Sherji. I am here.
मैं तुहाडी मदद करांगा.
The tiny chooha climbed up the net and used his sharp little teeth. Tick, tick, chomp, chomp. Ohne rassiyan nu katna shuru kar ditta. He started chewing the heavy ropes.
Cut the rope! Cut the rope! Quickly, quickly!
One rope broke, then two, then three. Deveko! The net fell apart and the Sher was completely free.
Wow, I can't believe it. Thank you, my little friend. Dhanvad. Tu ta sachvich kamar kar ditta. You proved that no one is too small to be a hero.
You are welcome, King. Small friends can do big things.
The big sher looked down at the tiny chooha. He didn't look down on him with pride anymore. ਉਹਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਪਿਆਰੀ ਜਿਹੀ smile ਦਿੱਤੀ. He gave a warm, big smile. From that day on, they became the best of friends. ਉਹ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਲਈ ਪੱਕੀ ਦੋਸਤ ਬਣ ਗਏ. They promised to look out for each other forever. So, my dear friends, what did we learn today? ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਕੀ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ? Never underestimate anyone based on their size. ਕਦੀ ਵੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਛੋਟਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਮਝਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ. A small act of kindness always comes back to you. ਕਰ ਭਲਾ ਹੋ ਭਲਾ. Now let's remember some of the Punjabi words we learned today. Shared, lion. Chooha, mouse. Dar, fear. Madad, help. Dhanwad, thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for our next story. ਅਗਲੀ ਕਹਾਣੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ. Bye bye. ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ.
See you next time on Punjabi Juniors.